remember when we were young in our church at Glenwood Methodist. Do you remember in the 2x2 class?
Oh, I remember the 2x2 class.
Oh, yes, I do too. And Mrs. Tucker, Evelyn Tucker, she was our teacher a long time.
Okay.
And they are still living now.
Oh.
She and Vivian still are
Doing
living.
well.
That
That's
they
good.
live out at Briarcliff. And so anyway, we were good friends when we were in the Sunday school class together, and we had so much fun. That was when our children were, I guess about 8 or 10 years old, something like that. Or Kathleen and Kim were probably 7 or 6 or maybe smaller than that. I can't remember. But anyway, we would come over to your house sometime. Huh?
Is it over there?
It wasn't your new house. It was the your older house, the first house y'all had.
Okay.
That's the old house that's now,
Uh-huh.
that the new house, Mother, you've lived in for 43 years now.
Oh.
So she's talking about that's the new house. And the old house was
your
the
big
one
house,
before that.
your big house.
Just so
And so lovely. Oh, I just love the new house.
yeah.
And we have lived in this house. Bill and I lived in this house for 50 years.
Oh.
So that is a long time.
I'm not kidding. Excuse me a minute. That little dog is so cute.
Isn't it cute? It's a little Shih Tzu.
Oh, what?
Shih Tzu.
Is that Japanese?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh, sweet.
See, you talked to me, so I wanted to come see you.
Well, you're a nice
Well.
little dog. You're a nice little doggy.
Uh-huh.
Sweet little doggy.
And so you and Harold had this barge out at a lake that,
Lake Striker.
I'm sorry?
It was Lake Striker. It was my Uncle Bailey's barge, and he was my dad's brother.
Oh.
And it was on Lake Striker, and they had a very simple but large lake house on Lake Striker. And I think y'all used to go there with us
Yes.
and stay in the house. It was just kind of concrete floors and, bare rooms, but it was a big
Right,
space,
right. Well, I can remember that the kids would sing in the car, sing songs that they knew together, and we'd sing along with them to help it go. And my children always loved to sing on trips.
Oh, good.
Uh-huh. And Bill would love to sing with them. Man, he loved to sing. And so did I. And we just had a joyous time there going out together, and we'd take a picnic lunch, and then one time or two we went out on the barge, and we rode around on the barge, and then the children would wear life jackets.
Yeah.
Because it was so deep.
Yeah.
And they would swim around the barge,
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, yeah.
And I think we would tie big inner tubes, like from trucks, with ropes and ride
we could
behind the
hold on
bar.
to
We'd tie those to the back of the barge, and then we'd sit on the inner tubes and float along behind the barge.
Oh, I remember that now.
Yeah.
Oh, that was such fun.
I know. I remember so many good times with your family.
Oh,
And-
I do too.
And this is Pat Zeiss we're talking to. We never said her name in the film, but she and her handsome and fun husband Bill and their 3 kids, Bill and Kim and Tanya, were family friends of ours for a long time, and we're just so happy to see Ms. Zeiss again tonight. Makes me happy anyway.
And one more thing I want to say is Martha gave Tanya her big wedding shower when she married. And that was back in 1970. So that's been a long time too.
Yeah, it is.
And so neat to see them because they were like our best friends.
Yeah.
We're all walking by, going into a different room or whatever, and that was a good time. And she got so many lovely gifts,
Oh.
and everybody got to see your new house.
Ooh.
And so, not many people